Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Deep Dive.
Yeah.
Today, we're diving into something that has the potential to completely change the marketing game: AI agents. And this one's especially for you business owners and C-level execs out there. Get ready to have your minds blown. I'm Lex, and joining me as always is Vera.
Hey everyone.
We're from Shield Media, a digital marketing agency specializing in local SEO, PPC, and SMM. We primarily work with Western clients. Now, I know a lot of you are probably drowning in data, struggling to personalize your marketing efforts, and feeling like there just aren't enough hours in the day. Well, AI agents might just be the solution you've been waiting for.
That's right. And in this deep dive, we're going to unpack exactly what AI agents are, what they can do, and how you can start using them to supercharge your marketing efforts. Our guide for this exploration is a fascinating article by Leeway Hertz titled AI Agent for Marketing: Applications and Use Cases, Capabilities and Benefits.
So let's jump right in. Can we start by breaking down what an AI agent actually is? I think a lot of people hear AI and their minds jump straight to sci-fi movies.
It does sound futuristic, but it's more grounded than you might think. At its core, an AI agent is a piece of software designed to act as your superpowered marketing assistant. It can analyze mountains of data, make decisions based on what it learns, and take action to achieve your marketing goals.
So it's not about replacing human marketers.
Not at all. Think of it as augmenting human capabilities, not eliminating them. AI agents can handle those tedious, time-consuming tasks that eat up your day, like analyzing data, tweaking ad campaigns, and even responding to customer inquiries. This frees you up to focus on strategy, creativity, and big-picture thinking, the things that really require that human touch.
Okay, that makes sense. But what about the intelligence part of AI? How do these agents actually learn and make decisions?
Well, that's where large language models, or LLMs, come in. Think of the LLM as the brain of your AI agent. It's trained on massive amounts of data, which allows it to understand and respond to information in a way that's similar to how humans do. There are different types of LLMs. Some are trained to perform specific tasks, like writing or translating, while others are more general purpose, and the technology is constantly evolving.
So choosing the right LLM is crucial. It's like picking the right engine for your car. You need one that's powerful enough for the job.
Precisely. And you also need to train your AI agent on data that's relevant to your business. Things like customer demographics, purchase history, website traffic, and social media interactions. This is where your unique business knowledge comes in. The more relevant data you feed it, the smarter and more effective your AI agent becomes.
So it's a combination of choosing the right brain and giving it the right education.
Exactly. And the good news is that there are platforms and resources available to make this process much more manageable. Companies like the one behind our source material, Leeway Hertz, specialize in AI development and can guide you through the process.
That's reassuring. It sounds complex, but knowing there are experts who can help makes it seem a lot less daunting. Now, I know our listeners are probably eager to hear about some real-world applications. What can these AI agents actually do for a business?
Well, one area where AI agents really shine is in data analysis. Imagine your AI agent spotting a correlation between specific social media interactions and a higher likelihood of purchase. That's the kind of granular insight you could miss without AI. And it's not just about identifying trends. AI agents can also predict future customer behavior, which is incredibly valuable for things like inventory management and targeted marketing.
That's amazing. It's like having a crystal ball that helps you anticipate what your customers will want before they even know it themselves. But it's not just about data analysis, right? What other marketing tasks can these AI agents handle?
Well, let's talk about campaign optimization. Let's say you're running an ad campaign. Instead of manually tweaking your bids and targeting based on reports, your AI agent can adjust those things in real time based on live data. It's constantly learning and adapting to ensure you're getting the best possible results.
That sounds incredibly efficient. It takes the guesswork out of campaign management and ensures you're always staying ahead of the curve. So you're telling me I can fire my entire marketing team?
Hold on, not so fast. Remember, AI is a tool to enhance your human team, not replace it. While the AI is handling the data crunching and optimization, your marketing team is freed up to focus on strategy, creative development, and building relationships, things AI can't do.
Okay, so AI handles the grunt work, and humans focus on the high-level stuff. That's a powerful combination.
Exactly. And when it comes to personalization, AI agents really come into their own. Think about those generic marketing emails you get. They're easily ignored. Now imagine receiving an email that addresses you by name and recommends products based on your past purchases or browsing history. That's the power of AI-driven personalization, and it can make a huge difference in your conversion rates.
That's a great point. people are much more likely to engage with marketing that feels personalized and relevant to their needs. It's about creating those aha moments where customers feel like you truly understand them. And I imagine AI agents can play a big role in customer service as well.
Absolutely. We've all experienced the frustration of waiting on hold or waiting days for an email response. Now imagine having an AI-powered chatbot available 24/7 to answer customer questions, resolve issues, and even offer personalized recommendations. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up your human customer service team to handle more complex issues.
That's a game changer for businesses,
Yeah.
especially those operating in global markets, where customers are spread across different time zones. No more missed leads or frustrated customers waiting for a response. It's about providing instant personalized support whenever and wherever it's needed. So we've seen how AI agents can analyze data, optimize campaigns, personalize communications, and even provide 24/7 customer support.
Mm.
But I'm curious, are there any limitations to what these agents can do? Are there certain areas of marketing where human intuition and creativity are still essential?
That's a great question. And it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it has its strengths and limitations. While AI agents excel at tasks that involve data analysis, pattern recognition, and automation, there are certain areas where humans still have the upper hand.
Okay, I'm all ears. What are some of those areas?
Well, one area is high-level strategy. While AI can provide insights and recommendations based on data, it can't replace the human ability to think critically, understand complex business challenges, and develop innovative strategies that align with overall business goals.
That makes sense. It's about understanding the nuances of the market, your target audience, and the competitive landscape.
Yeah.
Things that require human judgment and experience.
Right. Another area where humans excel is in creativity and emotional intelligence. AI can generate content, but it can't truly understand the emotional nuances of human communication or come up with those truly groundbreaking creative ideas that capture hearts and minds.
So it's about finding the right balance between AI and human input. It's not about one replacing the other, but about leveraging the strengths of both
Yeah.
to create a truly powerful marketing machine.
Exactly. And as AI technology continues to evolve, we'll likely see even more sophisticated AI agents that can handle even more complex marketing tasks. But ultimately, it's the human marketers who will guide the strategy, provide the creative spark, and ensure that AI is being used ethically and effectively.
Now let's shift gears and talk about best practices for implementing AI agents. For those listening who are excited about this technology and want to start using it in their own businesses, what advice would you give them? Where do they even begin?
That's a great question. The first and most crucial step is to define your objectives. What specific problem are you trying to solve with an AI agent? Are you looking to improve customer engagement, streamline your ad campaigns, or maybe automate your social media marketing?
So don't just jump on the AI bandwagon because it's trendy. Have a clear goal in mind and understand how AI can help you achieve it.
Exactly. Once you have a clear objective, you can start exploring the different AI platforms and providers available. There are many options out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. So do your research and find the one that best aligns with your needs and budget.
It's like anything else in business. Finding the right tools and partners can make all the difference. And I imagine data security is a major consideration as well.
Absolutely. Data security and privacy are paramount, especially when you're dealing with sensitive customer information. Make sure any AI platform you consider has robust security measures in place and complies with relevant data privacy regulations.
That's a critical point. Building trust with your customers is essential, and protecting their data is a huge part of that. Now, once you've chosen your platform and you're ready to start using your AI agent, is it pretty much a set it and forget it kind of thing?
Definitely not. AI is not a magic bullet. It requires ongoing training,
Duh.
management, and optimization to ensure it's performing at its best. You need to continuously feed it new data, monitor its performance, and make adjustments as needed.
So it's about staying engaged and being proactive, not just assuming that the AI will handle everything on its own.
Right. Think of it like hiring a new employee. You wouldn't just give them a job and then never check in on their progress, right? It's the same with AI. You need to provide guidance, support, and feedback to help it learn and grow.
That makes perfect sense. Now, you mentioned that the article from Leeway Hertz highlights some exciting real-world applications of AI agents. What are some of the specific ways businesses are using this technology to get ahead?
Well, one area that's seeing a lot of innovation is content creation. AI agents can now generate high-quality written content, from website copy and social media posts to even full-blown articles and blog posts. This is a huge time saver for businesses that are struggling to keep up with the demands of content marketing.
I can see how that would be incredibly valuable. It's not about replacing human writers, but about giving them a powerful tool to enhance their productivity and creativity. It's like having a brainstorming partner who can generate ideas and even help you polish your writing.
Exactly. And AI agents are also revolutionizing social media management. They can analyze your audience, schedule your posts, and even generate content tailored to each platform. This means you can reach your target audience more effectively without having to spend hours manually managing your social media accounts.
That's a game changer for busy marketers who are juggling multiple platforms and trying to stay on top of the ever-changing social media landscape.
And here's one that I find particularly fascinating: dynamic pricing. AI agents can analyze market trends, competitor pricing, and even customer behavior to adjust your prices in real time, maximizing your revenue and ensuring you're always competitive.
That's impressive. It's like having a pricing expert constantly monitoring the market and making strategic adjustments to ensure you're getting the best possible return.
And for those of you who are really data-driven, there's sentiment analysis. AI agents can analyze customer feedback from sources like social media, reviews, and surveys to understand how people really feel about your brand. This allows you to identify potential issues, address customer concerns, and make data-driven decisions that improve customer satisfaction.
That's invaluable. It's not just about what people are saying, but about understanding the emotional tone behind their words. It's about reading between the lines and getting those deeper insights that can help you make better business decisions.
Now, while all of these applications are exciting, it's important to remember that AI is still a relatively new technology, and there are ethical considerations to keep in mind.
That's a great point. With any powerful technology, it's crucial to use it responsibly. What are some of the ethical considerations businesses should be aware of when implementing AI agents?
Well, one key consideration is transparency. Customers should be aware that they are interacting with an AI agent, and they should have the option to opt out if they prefer to speak to a human.
That makes sense. It's about being upfront and honest with your customers and respecting their choices.
Another important consideration is bias. AI agents are trained on data, and if that data contains biases, those biases can be reflected in the agent's decisions and actions. It's crucial to be aware of potential biases and take steps to mitigate them, ensuring that your AI agents are treating all customers fairly and equitably.
That's incredibly important. AI should be used to enhance fairness and inclusivity, not perpetuate existing biases. So it's about being mindful of the data you're feeding your AI agents and ensuring that it's representative and unbiased.
Exactly. And finally, it's important to consider the potential impact of AI on employment. As AI agents become more sophisticated, they may be able to automate tasks that are currently performed by humans. It's crucial for businesses to think about how they can upskill and retrain their employees so that they can work alongside AI agents and thrive in this new landscape.
That's a great point. It's not about AI replacing humans,
Mhm.
but about finding ways for humans and AI to work together effectively. It's about leveraging the strengths of both to create a more efficient,
Yeah.
productive, and ultimately more human-centric workplace.
Well said. And as AI technology continues to evolve, it's crucial for businesses to stay informed, adapt to the changing landscape, and embrace the opportunities that AI presents, while also being mindful of the ethical considerations and the potential impact on society.
This has been an incredibly insightful deep dive into the world of AI agents. For our business owners and C-level execs listening, what's the key takeaway here? What do you really want them to walk away with?
I think the biggest takeaway is that AI agents are no longer a futuristic concept. They're here, and they're ready to revolutionize the way you do business. They can handle those tedious, time-consuming tasks, freeing you and your team to focus on strategy, creativity, and those high-level decisions that truly require human ingenuity.
It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about using technology to amplify your human capabilities and create a more efficient and ultimately more successful business.
Exactly. And remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI technology is constantly evolving, and the possibilities are truly limitless. Those who embrace AI early on and learn how to leverage its power effectively will have a significant advantage in the marketplace.
So for those listening who are feeling excited about this and ready to explore how AI agents can benefit their businesses, what's the best way for them to get started?
Well, first and foremost, do your research. Read articles like the one from Lee A. Hertz that we discussed today. There's a wealth of information available online and in industry publications.
It's about educating yourself and understanding the different types of AI agents available, their capabilities, and how they can be applied to your specific business challenges.
Absolutely. And don't be afraid to reach out to experts in the field. There are companies, like ours, Shield Media, that specialize in helping businesses implement AI solutions. We can guide you through the process, help you choose the right tools and platforms, and ensure that you're using AI ethically and effectively.
That's a great point. It's like anything else, finding the right partners and experts can make all the difference in your success. We focus on local SEO, PPC, and SMM,
Hmm.
and we work primarily with Western clients. So if that sounds like you, don't hesitate to reach out to us.
And remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Start small, experiment with different AI tools and platforms, and see what works best for your business. The key is to be open-minded, embrace the possibilities, and never stop learning.
Well said. Now, before we wrap up, I have one final question for our listeners to ponder. What's one marketing task you wish you could automate right now? Could an AI agent be the solution?
That's a great question to leave our listeners with. Take a moment to think about it. What's that one thing that's sucking up your time and energy? Could an AI agent help you reclaim those precious hours and focus on the things that truly matter?
It's about identifying those areas where AI can make the biggest impact on your business and your life. It's about working smarter, not harder, and using technology to create a more efficient and ultimately more fulfilling work experience.
Well, thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of AI agents. It's been a fascinating conversation, and I hope our listeners found it valuable.
And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in. We encourage you to hit that follow button so you don't miss out on future deep dives into cutting-edge topics that can help your business thrive. And please share this episode with anyone who might benefit from this knowledge. We believe that knowledge is power, and we're all about sharing that power with our community.
Hmm.
Until next time, keep innovating.